When it comes to the middleweight retro segment in 2025, two bikes stand out for their distinct approach to style and performance: the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 and the Kawasaki Z650 RS. Both promise character, everyday usability, and head-turning looks, but they achieve it in completely different ways. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about these two machines, from engine performance to ergonomics, features, and the kind of riders they are built for. Starting with the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. The Shotgun 650 is Royal Enfield's boldest interpretation of its 650 twin platform yet. At the heart of the bike is the familiar 648cc air and oil-cooled parallel twin engine, delivering around 47 horsepower and 52 newton-meters of torque. Now, these numbers may not sound huge compared to its Japanese rival, but the way the Shotgun delivers its power is what makes it special. It's tuned for broad, usable torque across the rev range, which means effortless acceleration at low and mid RPMs, perfect for cruising through the city, enjoying back roads, or just soaking in the ride. This engine is about character and feel, not outright speed. And that's exactly what Royal Enfield fans love. The design is perhaps the Shotgun's biggest highlight. Royal Enfield wanted this bike to look like a factory custom, and it shows. The bike features a low stance, chopped fenders, a floating single seat, mid-set foot pegs, and wide handlebars, giving it a muscular, stripped-back profile. It's aggressive, but at the same time, approachable. Royal Enfield also focused heavily on modularity. The Shotgun 650 seat setup can be swapped from single seat to two-up, and accessories like luggage racks or custom parts can be bolted on easily. It's designed to appeal to both solo riders who want a stripped-back look and those who want to carry a passenger or gear on longer trips. On the suspension side, the bike comes with upside-down forks at the front and twin shocks at the rear, tuned to deliver comfort for urban riding while still being stable on highways. Braking is handled by discs at both ends with dual-channel ABS, and the bike rolls on 18-inch front and 17-inch rear alloy wheels, wrapped in chunky tires that complement its custom aesthetic. In terms of features, the Shotgun stays true to its retro soul with analog-style dials, but adds a small digital inset for essential information. You also get LED lighting all around, and Royal Enfield's Tripper navigation pod, which syncs with your smartphone to provide turn-by-turn directions. It's simple, functional, and never distracts from the bike's old-school charm. Moving on to the Kawasaki Z650 RS. Now, where the Shotgun 650 leans into custom vibes, the Kawasaki Z650 RS takes inspiration straight from the 1970s. It's a motorcycle that combines the soul of a classic Kawasaki with the heart of a modern, naked sport bike. At the center of the Z650 RS is Kawasaki's proven 649cc liquid-cooled parallel twin, producing 67 horsepower and 64 newton-meters of torque. That's nearly 20 more horsepower than the Shotgun, and it makes a big difference. The Z650 RS revs freely, accelerates quickly, and feels alive, whether you're commuting, hitting twisty mountain roads, or just enjoying a spirited weekend ride. The bike uses a lightweight trellis frame, which gives it a nimble, agile feel. Combined with its relatively low weight, the RS feels sharp and easy to handle, even for new riders. Suspension is modern but straightforward, with telescopic forks at the front and a horizontal backlink shock at the rear, both tuned for sporty yet comfortable road riding. Braking is a step up compared to the Shotgun, with dual 300mm front discs and ABS, providing excellent stopping power and confidence at higher speeds. Styling is what really sets the Z650 RS apart. Kawasaki has nailed the retro look here. Round LED headlamp, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, classic-style side panels, and dual analog dials with a digital inset. It's a love letter to the original Z650 from the 1970s, but with just enough modern touches to make it practical for everyday use. Features include a modern TFT insert inside the analog clocks, LED lighting, and Kawasaki's Radiology app, which allows smartphone connectivity for calls, messages, and basic ride stats. Head-to-head comparison. So, how do these two bikes stack up when we put them side by side? Performance. The Kawasaki clearly wins in outright power, with its 67 horsepower engine versus the Shotgun's 47. It's quicker, faster, and more responsive, especially at higher revs. The Shotgun counters with a torquier, lazier delivery that feels smooth and unhurried, perfect for cruising, but less exciting if you're chasing speed. Handling and comfort. The Z650 RS feels sportier and more agile thanks to its modern chassis and lighter weight. It loves corners and spirited riding. The Shotgun 650 is more relaxed, heavier, and designed for stability and comfort rather than aggressive handling. Design and character. This is where personal taste takes over. The Shotgun 650 is bold, muscular, and unapologetically custom-inspired, making it stand out on the street. The Z650 RS is elegant, retro, and dripping with heritage, appealing to riders who want a classic look with modern reliability. Technology. The Z650 RS edges ahead with more modern electronics and smartphone integration. The Shotgun 650, however, keeps things simple and analog, which might actually appeal to riders who prefer less tech and more raw riding feel. Price and accessibility. Royal Enfield usually prices its 650 twins aggressively, making the Shotgun an affordable entry point into the mid-size retro market. Kawasaki, being a Japanese premium brand, comes in at a higher price point, but you're paying for that extra performance, refinement, and technology. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, these bikes aren't direct rivals. They're two completely different takes on what a 650 class retro motorcycle should be. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 is all about attitude, custom looks, and soulful riding. It's for riders who value style, sound, and the feel of a bike with real mechanical character. The Kawasaki Z650 RS is about balance, classic looks combined with modern Japanese performance and reliability. It's for riders who want vintage style but don't want to compromise on power, handling, or everyday usability. So the choice comes down to you. Do you want the factory custom charisma of the Shotgun 650 or the retro modern precision of the Kawasaki Z650 RS? Either way, you're getting a machine that turns heads, delivers smiles, and proves that the 650cc class is one of the most exciting spaces in motorcycling today.